The nighttime sky, glittering with stars of various brightness and colors, form pictures that capture the imagination. Astronomers have long wondered why the stars are so diverse, since they are born out of the same material that lies between the stars, vast clouds of hydrogen and dust. Gleaming brightly in the winter sky is the constellation Orion, the Hunter. Located only 1,500 light-years away in Orion's sword below the belt is the Orion Nebula. This immense gas cloud and intricate filaments formed by the interstellar medium is the brightest, youngest star-forming region close to Earth. This target was so appealing to astronomers that they used all the instruments on the Hubble Space Telescope to take snapshots of the nebula. The parallel images of the Advanced Camera for Surveys, Wide Field Planetary Camera 2, and NICMAS provide a detailed mosaic to study the star formation history of the Orion Nebula.